Our parking lot situation at Hollins Road Baptist Church was rough with the snow and ice, but God showed us the way. We are incredibly thankful for our Christian friends, especially Pastor Bryan Thornhill and the HEMI House of Hope Christian Church for stepping in to help. Thank you as well to Charles Juster for the recommendation. Christians helping each other, such a blessing. God bless you all, and God bless Hollins Road Baptist Church.